this video, I'll show you how to make an audio-only video using Canva. Start by opening Canva and creating a new video project. Click on the Elements tab. Scroll down to the Audio section and select See All. Search for the audio track you need and click to add it to your project. Adjust the page duration to match the length of your audio. You can edit the audio by trimming or adjusting volume if needed. Next, customize your page background. Keep it white or change it to black, green, or any color you prefer. Once done, go to the Share button, click Download, and select MP4 as the file type to save your project. And that's it. If this tutorial helped, consider subscribing for more Canva tips. Thanks for watching.